Are you tired of worrying about what's happening on the road when you're driving? Whether it's for safety, security, or just peace of mind, having the right dashcam can make all the difference. In today's video, we're going through the top 6 best dashcams for 2025 packed with the latest technology, crystal clear video quality, and features that will keep you protected on every drive. From budget-friendly options to high-end models with advanced features, there's a dashcam here for everyone. To make things easier, I've included links to the best deals for each product down in the description. Keep in mind the dashcams aren't ranked in any specific order, so stick around until the end to get the full picture. So without wasting your time, let's get started with the video. Number 6. Viofo Dashcams. Viofo dashcams are highly regarded for their excellent performance and reliability, especially for drivers looking for quality video surveillance. One of the standout models, the Viofo A329 dashcam, offers 4K video recording at 60 FPS from the front camera, ensuring that footage is crisp and clear even at high speeds. The rear camera captures in 2K, providing additional coverage. This dash cam also supports micro SD cards up to 512 GB and even allows for external SSD storage, offering flexibility for long trips and heavy footage. For customization, the A329 is compatible with Viofo accessories such as polarizing lens filters and Bluetooth remotes. It also offers voice control for hands-free operation, which is a convenience for many drivers. The price for the single front camera version of the A329 is typically $329.99, while the bundle with the front and rear camera is around $399. If you're looking for a dash cam that combines high-definition video quality, reliable performance, and robust features, the Viofo A329 is an excellent choice. It's particularly well-suited for drivers who want top-tier video clarity and the flexibility of additional features. However, if you're seeking a more basic device, there are simpler options available. But for those who want premium performance, the A329 delivers great value. Number 5. Vantrue Dashcams. Vantrue dashcams are a great choice for high-quality in-car video recording, offering several models that cater to various needs. The Vantrue N5 is one of the top options, featuring 4-channel recording, front, rear, and 2 interior cameras, providing full coverage of your vehicle. It captures 1944p resolution on the front camera for crystal clear footage, while the rear and interior cameras offer 1080p resolution. Additional features include GPS logging, Wi-Fi connectivity, voice control, and parking mode for enhanced functionality. The inclusion of HDR and WDR ensures clear video quality even in low-light conditions. With a maximum 512 GB storage capacity, the Vantrue N5 offers ample space for recording large amounts of footage. Priced at around $400, the Vantrue N5 is on the higher end of the spectrum, but offers excellent value for those seeking comprehensive vehicle surveillance with superior image quality and durability. If you're looking for a multi-camera system with exceptional recording clarity and don't mind the premium price, the Vantrue N5 is a solid choice. However, if your needs are more basic, there are less expensive options available. For those who need full coverage of both the interior and exterior of their vehicle, this dashcam provides great peace of mind. Number 4. Blackview Dashcams. The Blackview dashcams are packed with top-of-the-line features designed for high-quality video surveillance. These dashcams feature 4K UHD resolution on the front camera, utilizing the Sony Starvis 2 image sensor for exceptional low-light clarity, while the rear camera records in full HD with a Sony Starvis CMOS sensor. The Wi-Fi connectivity allows for fast footage transfer, while cloud compatibility provides the ability to view your footage remotely through the Blackview cloud service. Key features include GPS logging, which records your location and speed, and native parking mode, which ensures that your vehicle is monitored while parked. In terms of pricing, the Blackview DR970X2CH Plus typically starts at around $399 for the basic 64 GB model, with prices varying based on the storage capacity and additional features such as the LTE module. These cameras are ideal for anyone seeking a reliable dashcam with high-quality resolution, cloud integration, and parking surveillance. While they are priced higher than entry-level options, they provide excellent performance and peace of mind, making them a worthy investment for anyone looking to ensure their vehicle's security. Number 3. ThinkWare Dashcams. The ThinkWare dash cams deliver excellent performance with a variety of models, each featuring distinct capabilities. Key highlights include 4K UHD resolution for the front camera and 2K resolution for the rear in models like the U3000 2-channel, ensuring you capture clear, detailed footage. With built-in GPS for location tracking, impact notifications, and super night vision, these cameras provide top-notch protection whether you're driving or parked. Features such as the Advanced Driver Assistance System, ADAS, HDR, and radar-assisted parking mode enhance both safety and security. The price range for ThinkWare dash cams varies depending on the model, with high-end options like the U3000 priced around $599. Models like the Q850 and Q1000 offer 2K QHD resolution, Wi-Fi connectivity for easy footage access, and advanced monitoring features at a more affordable price. ThinkWare dash cams are ideal for drivers looking for high-resolution, feature-packed devices. Their impact notifications, video upload in emergencies, and vehicle tracking make them an excellent choice for safety-conscious individuals. However, with the additional cost for installation, these cams are best for those willing to invest in premium protection for their vehicle. Number 2. Next-Base dash cams. The Next-Base dash cams, particularly the 622GW 4K model, are a top choice for drivers looking for premium video recording and added safety features. The camera captures 4K video at 30 FPS, delivering sharp and detailed footage essential for documenting incidents like accidents. Powered by the Ambarella H22 quad-core chipset, it provides smooth and high-quality recording, while the removable polarizing filter ensures glare-free video even in bright conditions. Key features include a 3-inch touchscreen display for easy navigation, although it can be a bit challenging to use while driving. For hands-free control, it integrates with Alexa, allowing voice commands for various functions. The Emergency SOS feature and What 3 words. Geocoding are notable for their ability to help first responders locate you quickly in emergencies. Priced at around $319. The Next-Base 622GW is not the cheapest on the market, but it offers a comprehensive suite of features including dual-band Wi-Fi, parking mode, and image stabilization to ensure smooth footage, even on rough roads. This dashcam is perfect for those seeking a high-end model with excellent video quality and advanced features. However, the price may be steep for those on a budget, and some minor issues with the app's connectivity may be a concern for tech-savvy users. Number 1. Garmin dash cams. Garmin dash cams deliver high-quality video recording and innovative features for enhanced vehicle safety. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 3 is a budget-friendly option offering 1080p HDR video, a 140-degree field of view, and a polarizing filter to reduce windshield glare. This small, sleek camera is equipped with a magnetic mount for easy installation and offers voice control for hands-free operation. For those seeking higher resolution, the Garmin Dashcam X310 provides 4K HDR video at 30 FPS, offering exceptional clarity and detail. It features a 140-degree field of view, and the addition of a polarizing filter helps improve image quality by reducing glare. Price range. Garmin dash cams typically range from around $130 for the Mini 3 to $400 for the X310, depending on the features and resolution you need. Is it right for you? The Mini 3 is perfect for those looking for an affordable, compact dash cam with reliable features like 1080p HDR video. However, if you're looking for superior video quality and additional features, the X310 is worth considering for its 4K video and advanced functionalities, making it a solid choice for users willing to invest a bit more.